Hello everyone, good afternoon. Now let's discuss about gram molecular weights. Gram molecular weights. So previously we discussed about atomic weights. Atomic weights means what? Those weight of particular atom. How you will consider, how you will get the atomic mass from the isotopes. Isotopes average mass is called atomic mass. And now gram molecular weight, or simply first, what is the molecular weight? What exactly molecular weight? Let's see. Molecular weight is nothing but sum of atomic masses, sum of atomic masses of all atoms, Molecular weight means what? Sum of atomic masses of all atoms present in a given molecule, in that particular molecule, okay, in which you are going to find that molecular weight. So atomic weights up to 30 elements I was given, so those only you have to consider, and you have to remember those 30 atoms atomic weights, so that it will be very easy for you. Otherwise, what is the atomic weight of oxygen, what is the atomic weight of manganese, if you are thinking, it will takes much more time to calculate all these things, because nowadays nobody will ask you what is a gram molecular weight. Those kind of simple questions they won't ask. Okay, see, even in our assignment what we are discussing, those questions mostly are very simple questions, because we are in introduction. Still we have entered into mole concept. There you will have a numerical stoichiometry, there you will have a large number of numericals. So to understand all those things, these are basics, these are very important. Number of moles of a particular molecule or compound you are going to find, so that you must know what is the gram molecular weight. So it's a very important topic, you must listen carefully. Okay, so molecular weight is the sum of atomic masses of all atoms present in a given molecule. In a given molecule means in a given how many molecules? Only one particular molecule. That is molecular weight. I told you like atomic weight and gram atomic weight. Same here, molecular weight and gram molecular weight. So molecular weight for one molecule and gram molecular weight for Avogadro number of molecules for 1 mole. So Avogadro number means you have idea, 6.023 into 10 power 23. Okay, so that is molecular weight. And here atomic weights of 30 elements I was given. Along with those few more you must know, like fluorine, you know, fluorine how much is 19, and chlorine, you know, 35.5. In this family you have two more you have to remember, that is bromine 80 and Mr. Iodine is 127. These we have to remember. In same way you must know one more thing, like silver is 108. You must know one more thing, barium, it is 137. Along with those 30, these 4 extra, these two will come under 30 elements, no problem. So this bromine and iodine will come an extra, like bromine 80 and iodine 127, and silver 108 and barium 137 atomic mass. Like still few mercury chloride like that given. Mercury, this is barium, Pa, silver, Az. Okay. Next, mercury it is around 200, 199 something. You can take around 200 mercury atomic weight. So these are the gram atomic weights of few more elements. Hope you understood. Nothing, just simply we have to remember, because how we are getting this from the isotopic masses. Okay, so gram molecular weight. Come to this molecular weight, sum of the atomic masses of all atoms present in a given molecule, that is called molecular weight, I told you. So some examples if you want, like water. What is the water molecular weight? Water molecular weight is what? Means very simple, hydrogen 1. Atomic weights I was given, hydrogen 1. How many hydrogens are there? 2. So 1 into 2 plus oxygen how much? 16. So 16 into 2 how much? 18. So 18 is the molecular weight of Mr. H2O. Getting what I'm saying? So H2O, 2 hydrogens you have. Hydrogen atomic weight is 2 and oxygen atomic weight is 16. So 2 plus 16, 18 is the atomic weight. Why multiplied with 2? Because 2 hydrogens. How many atoms of that particular element is there? We have to multiply with atomic weight. Okay. So next example, sulfuric acid H2SO4 molecular weight. H2SO4 molecular weight, how much, sir? Molecular weight is equals to how many atoms are there? Those you have to consider, and those you have to multiply with their atomic weights. So 2 hydrogens are there, so 2 into 1. First I am taking 2 hydrogens. A hydrogen atomic weight what? Plus sulfur atomic weight how much? 32. You must observe atomic weights up to 30 elements. And oxygen how much? 16. But how many oxygens are there? 4. So 4 into 16. So total 98 will come. 98 AMU, atomic weight and molecular weight, means in atomic mass unit you have to consider 98 AMU, that is molecular weight. Same thing, gram molecular weight of Mr. sulfuric acid H2SO4 means same 98, quantity wise no change, but only units different. Quantity in the sense value no change, but this is for one molecule, this is for Avogadro number of molecules. Getting what I'm saying? So 98 AMU, here 98 grams. This is a gram molecular weight of any molecule. You can consider like this. Suppose gram molecular weight of barium chloride. Barium chloride, BaCl2. Barium, how much atomic weight? Here I was given barium 137 plus 1 chlorine 35.5. 35.5 into 2. So it's a 71. 71 plus 137. 71, right? 71 because 35.5 into 2. Because chlorine atomic weight is 35.5. 35.5 into 2 you have. So 71 plus this. So you will have 137 and you have 71. So here it is 8 and 208, right? So 208 you will have barium chloride. Correct? So 137 and 71. Okay? So 8 and this. Okay? So like this you can have a gram molecular weights of any particular molecule. Some molecules like glucose, okay, 180. Okay, like that you will get very simple way. Hydrochloric acid 36.5. So molecular weights of few, like you can say, but here some kind if they are asked like this, sodium carbonate Na2CO3 molecular weight. Okay, so if they are asked gram molecular weight of how much, means 106 will come. So 2 into 23 molecular weights. Okay, plus carbon 1, so 12, plus 3 oxygens, so 3 into 18. So if you simplify you get 106 grams. Okay, same story like atomic weights how you got, in same manner you will get gram molecular weight. So gram molecular weight is 2 sodiums, so 2 sodium atomic weight 23, 2 into 23 plus 12 plus 3 into 18, and because 3 oxygens are there, so 3 into 18 you have, total 106 grams you have. Atomic weights, if you know, molecular weights will be very simple to you. Suppose if you want OH thrice, aluminium hydroxide. Here how to get a gram molecular weight? Gram molecular weight is equals to aluminium atomic weight 27. Excuse me. Aluminium atomic weight 27. Oxygens, don't consider one oxygen. OH thrice, so 3 oxygens. So 3 into 16 plus 3 hydrogens. So 27. Excuse me. 27 plus 3, it's 30. 30 plus, it's 48. So total is how much, sir? It's 70 8 is the gram molecular weight of AlOH thrice grams. AlOH thrice, the gram molecular weight is 78 grams you can have. So in this way you can have any gram molecular weight. Suppose glucose C6H12 C6H12O6. What is the gram molecular weight? Means you can say simply, actually I know actually 180, but you can write it's normally like 6 into 12 plus 12 hydrogens, so 12 into 1, 12 hydrogens, so 12 into 1 plus 6 into 16. Oxygen atomic weight is 16. So you will get 180 grams. So I am considering the gram molecular weight for Avogadro number of glucose molecules. Understanding what I am saying? This is glucose. So glucose molecular weight how much? 180 grams. Thank you. And this is about the gram molecular weight. So now you can have what exactly difference between normal mole, okay, what exactly difference between moles and these normal weights. Actually mole is the representation of a quantity, particular substance. For a particular substance will give you, okay, 1 mole of substance, 2 moles of substance. Like for apples, 1 kg of apples. Okay, grapes, 1 kg of grapes, banana dozen, like that we call like some measurement units, okay, measurable units for a particular quantity. But for chemical substance, instead of grams we use number of moles. Okay, so very important for us, what exactly mole? Mole represent with N. Mole represent with what, sir? N. Small n. What exactly mole means? Mole is the ratio of weight of the substance, weight of substance to the gram atomic weight or gram molecular weight of that particular substance. So this is what number of moles. Number of moles formula is what, sir? Weight of substance to the gram atomic weight or gram molecular weight of substance. This is number of moles. So what you have to take here? Gram atomic weight. Gram atomic weight for whom we will take? For atoms. If they ask atoms or ions number of moles, then gram atomic weight you have to consider. Number of moles of sulfuric acid, then sulfuric acid molecular weight you have to consider. So that is very important. So here simply you can say N is equals to weight of substance to the substance they will give you, okay, and gram atomic weight you can say simply one formula. This is number of moles for number of moles for atoms. Number of moles for what, sir? Atoms. And same N is equals to weight of substance to the gram molecular weight of substance. And simply you can say this is number of moles formula. Number of moles formula. For whom? For molecules. For what, sir? Molecules. Simply N is equals to W by M. W means weight, M means molecular weight. For this atomic weight you can say atomic weight, not a problem. Okay, so N is equals to weight by molecular weight. So what is the use of these moles? Why we have to learn this moles means moles will give you quantity of a particular substance, how much is reacting, how much quantity we have to take in a particular reaction. Those all things you can understand by using this mole concept. So mole is very important. It is a ratio of weight of substance to the gram atomic weight or gram molecular weight of substance. So this is very, very important for us. What is the number of moles? So number of moles we have some idea now. See, example, 8 grams of oxygen, okay, there is a oxygen. Oxygen means don't consider oxygen atom, okay, oxygen atom means they will give you, okay, 8 grams of oxygen molecule. Oxygen means if there was not given molecules also, you have to consider O2 because oxygen exists as a diatomic molecule. Okay, oxygen gas, if they said, okay, oxygen gas, O you have to take or O2 you have to take, that's a doubt. Okay, O2 we have to take. If they clearly mentioned oxygen atoms, then only oxygen atoms you have to consider. Then molecular weight you have to consider? No, atomic weight you have to consider. If they said atoms, atomic weight you have to consider. Okay, so 8 grams of oxygen molecules has number of moles. Number of moles, how much? How many? Like that. So number of moles formula, weight of substance to the gram molecular weight. Oxygen molecules they said. Okay, so weight how much? Number of moles for that. So it is 8 by 32 you have to consider. Why sir 8 by 32? Oxygen atomic weight 16, no sir. Oxygen molecule O2. One oxygen means 16. Two oxygens means what sir? 16 into 2, so 32. O2 means 32 sir. N2 means 14. Like that we have to consider. So N is equals to 8 by 32 here. Okay. So here you have N number of moles 0.25. 0.25 you will get number of moles. So 8 grams of oxygen molecule has number of moles. How many means you have N is equals to weight of substance to the gram molecular weight of substance. So N is equals to, you have weight given 8 grams. So 8 molecular weight of O2 32 grams. Hope you understood. So this is very very important for us. Okay. So here if number of moles is equals to 1, if number of moles is equals to 1, then weight of substance is equal to its gram atomic weight or gram molecular weight. This is one of the important things. So what is here, only you have that N is equals to what sir? Weight by gram molecular weight. So N is equals to weight by molecular weight, gram molecular weight. That implies 1 is equals to, if N is equals to 1, number of moles is 1, then weight of substance by gram molecular weights. 1 is equals to weight of substance by gram molecular weight of substance. That implies weight of substance is equals to gram molecular weight of substance. Weight of substance is equals to gram molecular weight of substance. When weight of substance is equals to gram molecular weight of substance, sir? When the number of moles is equal to 1. Okay, so 1 mole of any substance is equal to its gram molecular weight. So it's very clear. One final conclusion. 1 mole of, simple, very important conclusion this is. 1 mole of any substance, 1 mole of any substance is equal to its atomic weight, gram atomic weight or gram molecular weight. Yes, here gram molecular weight or gram atomic weight, in grams only you have to take, and this weight what you are taking, if they given kg also, no use. You must take in grams itself. That is very important, because you are taking gram molecular weight here or gram atomic weight here you are considering. So this W should be in grams. So that weight should be in grams. So N is equals to weight of the substance to the gram molecular weight of a substance. So weight should be in grams, gram molecular weight however in grams itself. Getting what I am saying? Even 2 into 10 power minus 2 kg, the mass has how many number of moles? Means don't consider kg, you must convert into grams. 1 kg is equals to 1000 grams. Okay, that you have to consider here. Getting what I'm saying? So weight should be in grams and gram molecular weight however it is in grams. So that's why we are taking in grams actually, because the denominator is in grams, so numerator must be in grams itself. Even they given milligrams or whatever kg or whatever, we must consider in grams only this weight. We must remember this one, and this is very important point for us. 1 mole of any substance is equal to its gram atomic weight or gram molecular weight. 1 mole of any substance is equal to its gram atomic weight or gram molecular weight. Most important thing for us. Okay? So 0.5 moles of substance, a particular substance has how much mass? If they ask, you can write now. Okay? So it's a very important thing. So I'll give you here 0.5 moles of Mr. N2. N2 has how much mass? Mass means weight here. Okay. So if they ask, very simple. Now only I told you 1 mole means how much? It's gram molecular weight. In previously here in a box I was given 1 mole of any substance is equal to its gram molecular weight. So here also same story. They are asking for 0.5 moles. 0.5 moles they are asking. So 1 mole of N2 is having how much? 28 grams. Sorry, nitrogen atomic weight is 14. Previous wrong I was given. So 1 mole of N2 means 28 grams. N2. Nitrogen atomic weight is 14. 2 nitrogens. 14 into 2. 28. So 0.5 moles of N2 how much? It's like apple formula. 1 apple this much. 2 apples how much? Or 2 apples this much. 1 apple how much? Like that you have a formula. Cross multiply. Okay? When like this, when you are considering 1 mole of N2 28. 0.5 moles of N2 how much means? Cross multiply. These two multiply, divide by this number. What you have? Even here 10 you have, divided by 10. Here 1 only you have. So what is the weight of N2 which has 0.5 moles means it is 28 into 0.5. Actually 0.5 means half. 14. I know answer, but simply I am solving. So 28 into 0.5 is 14 grams. So 1 mole has 28 grams. So definitely half mole. 0.5 moles means half mole. Half mole has how much? So 14 grams. 1 mole 28 grams. Half mole how much? Then half of the weight. Getting what I am saying? 1 apple 10 rupees. Half apple how much? 5 rupees. Of course nobody will give, but generally I am telling. Okay? Thank you. So this is about number of moles relation. Okay? 2 more most important relations I will give you. See, that is what? 1 mole of substance has how many particles? 1 mole of substance. Here substance means what, sir? Atoms, ions, okay, electrons, whatever, any species. 1 mole of atoms has how many particles means Avogadro's number of particles they consist. Particles, why I am saying 1 mole of particles you consider. 1 mole of particles will have Avogadro number of particles. What is Avogadro number? Everybody knows that 6.023 into 10 power 23 particles will be present. Particles will present. So 1 mole of Giri means Avogadro number of Giris will be there. 1 mole of O2 means 1 mole of O2 molecules have how many molecules? Means Avogadro number of O2 molecules. 1 mole of helium has Avogadro number of helium. 1 mole of something will consist Avogadro number of something. Getting what I am saying? 1 mole of Shah Rukh Khan will be equals to Avogadro number of Shah Rukh Khans. SRK. Okay? So 1 mole of any substance, 1 mole of Mr. some H2 hydrogen gas consists of how many H2 molecules? Means 6.023 into 10 power 23 H2 molecules are present. 1 mole means this much. 1 mole Avogadro number of molecules. 1 mole of atoms, Avogadro number of atoms. 1 mole of ions, Avogadro number of ions. 1 mole of electrons, Avogadro number of electrons. Anything, protons, neutrons, whatever. For everything, the quantity representation is mole. That's why we are discussing this. This is a very, very important topic for us. Today's concept is very, very important for us. Okay, so this is the most important thing. So 1 mole of substance, this is very, very important. 1 mole of substance will be having Avogadro number of particles. 1 mole of atoms, Avogadro number of atoms. Got it? So next, 1 mole of any substance in the sense, better to have directly any gas. For gases, this is very, very important. 1 mole of any gas at STP or NTP. What is STP? STP means standard temperature and pressure. ST, do you know what is the standard temperature? Standard temperature is 273 Kelvin or 0 degrees Celsius. This is standard temperature. Do you know the standard pressure? It is 1 atmosphere or 760 mm or 76 centimeter. Those unit conversion in states of matter we will understand. Okay, standard temperature and pressure, STP condition. NTP also same, normal temperature and pressure values will be same. Getting what I am saying? 1 mole of, this is very important, standard temperature and pressure. So 1 mole of any gas at STP or this temperature given or this pressure given, then 1 mole of any gas at STP occupies, do you know how much volume? Occupies 22.4 liters volume. Or else this 22.4 liters in ml, you will get 22,400 ml. This is also very, very important point to you. What is that? 1 mole of any gas at STP, 1 mole of any gas at STP or NTP occupies how much volume? 22.4 liters or 22,400 ml. This is called Avogadro's law. Equal volumes of all gases consist equal number of moles or molecules. What is the statement? Just tell me that, means along with me. When you are listening, you have to say what I said, the statement. I repeat that statement. 1 mole of any gas at STP occupies 22.4 liters volume. Any gas, O2, N2, H2, whatever the gas, ammonia gas, whatever, gas at STP occupies how much volume? Means 22.4 liters or 22,400 ml. That's it. One more statement I was given, that which we called as Avogadro's law. Of course, in states of matter chapter we will discuss Avogadro's law. What is that Avogadro's law? See, equal volumes of all gases consist equal number of moles or molecules. You have to write down in your notes this point, this statement what I was given in Avogadro's law. I repeat, equal volumes of all gases consist equal number of moles or equal number of molecules. Means if you consider equal volumes, 1 liter of H2, 1 liter of O2, 1 liter of N2 gases at STP I was considered, then how much volume they will have? Means 22.4. Equal volumes, they have how many molecules I am asking. So equal number of molecules. 1 mole means Avogadro number of molecules will be there. Excuse Okay, so this is about mole concept. So 1 mole means how much? Simply I'll write final 1 mole. 1 mole. 1 mole means how much? Here I'll write. 1 mole will be equals to its gram molecular weight. I told you. 1 mole is equals to its gram atomic weight. I told you. 1 mole means consists of Avogadro's number of atoms. Avogadro number of atoms or molecules or ions. This all comes under this. 1 mole has how many particles? Any two you can relate. Okay. Gram molecular weight of substance have how many particles means Avogadro number of particles. Gram atomic weight of substance has how many atoms means Avogadro number of atoms. Avogadro number of atoms means 6.023 into 10 power 23. You have to consider. 1 mole of any substance, any gas at STP, only for gases, okay, at STP occupies 22.4 liters or else 22,400 milliliters. This is exactly mole means. Getting what I am saying? Suppose 17 grams of ammonia, 17 grams of NH3 at STP occupies 22.4 liters. Then 10 grams of NH3 has at STP has how much volume? If they ask, you have to find out like this. Question you understood? Because gram molecular weight is 1 mole, volume also for 1 mole. So these two you can compare. Getting what I am saying? These two you can compare or not? 17 grams is nothing but what? A gram molecular weight. Get it? So they are asking for 10 grams of ammonia at STP occupies how much volume? 17 grams, they was not given, I am writing answer. They'll ask question like this. 10 grams of ammonia at STP has how much volume? That's the question. Okay, I know ammonia molecular weight is 17 because nitrogen atomic weight 14. 14 plus 3, 17. Okay, 17 grams is a gram molecular weight of ammonia. Okay, 17 grams of ammonia at STP occupies 22.4 because 17 grams of ammonia is equals to 1 mole. Okay, 22.4 liters occupied by 1 mole. So 17 grams will occupy 22.4. Okay, now for 10 grams of ammonia, how much volume? Okay, I know. So you have to cross multiply now. These two multiply, divide with 17. In previous I was not divided because one you have there. So here you have to definitely cross multiply. Don't forget the 17. These two multiply, divide with 17. So 22.4 into 10 by 17. So 224 by 17. Tell me answer in comment box. Okay. So this is about number of moles. I'll ask you one more question. You have to say answer in comment box. Okay. Avogadro number of O2 has 32 grams. Then 16 grams of O2 has how many molecules? That is the question you have to answer. My question I'll tell you. 16 grams of questions are this is. 16 grams of O2 consist how many number of O2 molecules? This is the question you have to answer. At least in our WhatsApp group you have to tell me this answer. 16 grams of O2 consists how many number of O2 molecules? I told you already. Molecular weight has Avogadro number of molecules. Then 16 grams has how much? That is the question and that's the answer. Thank you.